Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow us on our Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, follow us on Telegram, you get an update from us there. So let's see what we'll be expecting on AUD USD. So I did analysis on AUD USD for Thursday, and I also did analysis on AUD USD for Friday. And markets eventually went according to our plan. I told you guys that on Thursday we'll be expecting a bullish move on AUD USD. Market did that. On Friday also, I told you guys that we'll be expecting a bullish move on AUD USD. What markets eventually did that. So see the movements here. This was an impulse move, higher highs. Here comes the higher lows, right? A new higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. So we are now expecting a new higher highs. Thereby, we should be able to break above this previous higher highs. So basically, markets will be rallying up. And I also told you guys my targets. My targets is to a level of 0.68, possibly to a level of 0.69. So within, let's say, 0.68 will be our preferable target for now. Then later on, we can now see if we are likely to hit a level of 0.69. So our buyers on AUD USD is still to the upside for this week, still expecting more movement. I mean, when you take a look at it like this is an higher highs here. Here comes the higher lows. If you take a look at this also, you can see it to be an higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. Higher highs here. We had an equal lows here, which is still on an uptrend move. Then a new higher highs. Once it comes to this 0.68, I'll be expecting a little bit of a pullback, and we will continue. So above all, this week we are expecting a bullish move on AUD USD. Stay updated with us by following our Telegram channel. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.